Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Pick a quiet place with stable signal. Before you dial, move to a location free of background noise and interference so your voice and theirs are clear. Silence notifications and close distracting apps. Have the number and purpose ready. Jot a short agenda with 2 or 3 points so you stay focused. Charge your phone above 50% battery. Ensure power and a charger nearby, especially for calls over 15 minutes. And confirm you know whether you use Wi-Fi calling or start with a clear greeting and your name. Speak slowly, smile while talking to warm your tone, and give the recipient a moment to respond. State your purpose within the first 30 seconds. Say the core reason concisely so listeners can orient themselves. Ask one question at a time and listen. Pause to let them answer fully, take notes, and avoid interrupting. Use short clarifying phrases like "Da yao me an X" and repeat any agreed items allowed to confirm understanding. Confirm any action items and deadlines. Before ending, clearly assign who will do what and state specific due dates so there is no confusion. Summarize the next steps before hanging up, repeat key points and any agreed times, and ask if they have final questions. Send a brief follow-up message within 24 hours. Use email or text to recap decisions, include names, dates, and any links or files, and thank them for their time to close the loop professionally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.